Welcome friends in my YouTube channel Alayas Academy. Friends, today is the third part of Library Science MCQ and start. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon to find out the information about the society institutions from any part of world. Which of the following appropriate source world of learning? The acceleration subscription rate of the serial which is following appropriate source periodical directory. The publisher of Asian Recorder is K.K. Thomas. King's record of world event is a news summary. The publisher of Encyclopedia Americana is a Grolier. Which one of the following falls under the category of Union Catalog? NUCSSI. Dictionary of National Bibliography DNB is published by the University Press London. Which one of the following is available CD-ROM? NUCSSI. To know the bibliographical details of a book published in India, which is the following is most appropriate source? INB. The publisher of books in print is RR Broker. The publisher of the library literature is H.W. Wilson. Library literature is an indexing journal. The process in the SDI involves the matching user profile with the documentation profile. The person who introduced the computerized SDI is H.P. Luhan. Current Awareness Service CS comes under the anticipatory service. The development of the user education concept is the contribution of B. Knapp. Method of accessing information needs of the users community is known as user studies. The college which experimented user education is the first time is Montiub. India Reference Annual is a yearbook. The frequency of King's record of world event is monthly. The publisher of Cumulative Book Index is the W.H. Wilson. The publisher of Book Review Digest is the H.W. Wilson. The editors of Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science, Kent and Lancaster. Lancor. Accession list South Asia is now transformed as the South Asian Bibliographer. Match the list A to list B. Chennai Public Library Act, (1948). Andhra Pradesh Library Act, 1960. Kerala Act, Karnataka State Library Act, 1965. Kerala State Library Act, 1989. Mizoram State Library Act, 1993. Patents and standards falls under which source? Primary source. Bibliography of bibliographies falls under which source? Tertiary sources. Indexing and abstracting periodicals falls under which source of information? Secondary. To which category of bibliography books in print falls? In trade. CAPS is an innovative customized information service provided by the INSDOG. European Translation Center etc. is located at Telford. The Congressional Research Service is one of the Department of Library of Congress, National Library of USA. To provide referral service, which of the following is not a required? Encyclopedias. The first international conference on bibliography was held at the Brussels. Manipur Public Library Act 1988, West Bengal Library Act 1967, Haryana State Library Act 1989, Goa State Library Act 1993. The Journal of Documentation is being published by the ASLib. Match the list. A list B. American Library Association, Chicago, Library Association UK, London, and International Federation of Library Association, Hague, Special Library Association, New York. IISN is concerned with the serials. ISSN है फ्रेंड्स, ये IISN नहीं, इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर सीरियल नंबर. National Bibliography of Indian Literature 9012 1953 is a retrospective bibliography. CD-ROM service like business periodicals on disk. BPO is the full text database. CD-ROM system is basically optical storage. The updation of bibliography extract CD is quarterly. Adonis contains full text 600 plus major journals. Biomedicine. NSO standard Z39.50 is an information retrieval protocol. CD-ROM DXS is the data exchange standard developed by the Silver Platter. Internet was initially developed by US Department of the Defense. In 1990, Internet Service Virtual Hypertext Network called WWW. In India, the major internet service provider is BSNL. The practice of browsing through content of the newspaper, web, or other information service on internet is known as surfing. The through sail over the internet sites information is known as navigation. The programs that act an interface between the user and the internet is known as browser. The archives was the first of the information retrieval system developed by the internet. Electronic group that center around a broad topic, the internet, is known as the. Please tell me right option in comment box. Every place on the internet is usually called the website. WWAL.org is a prominent website related to the library science. The web page address http://www.icos.com is a popular address of the search engine. A computer that contains one network to another for purpose of the transfer is known as gateway. Users can use the resource of the libraries their choice without physically visiting them are called the virtual libraries. A computer program which has knowledge of experts in its knowledge base is as a intellectual system. The field of the study that deals with the capacity of the machine to simulate or surplus human intelligence is known as the artificial intelligence. The network that denotes objects relationship is known as the semantic net. CANSERS is a rule-based expert system designed by the doctors. Excite is a search engine to develop for the expert system. The Internet InfoSeek is a popular highway. www is a multimedia linked database system that spans globe. The concept which considers things as invisible wholes does not concern itself in viewing things in a part is known as the holistic. The advance of librarianship of the academic press is the state of the art report. UNIBIS computerized search system administered by the UNIDO library. Information referral system for the source of the information of environment was launched by the UNEP. The development of the information network of South Asia, DEVENSA, was established at the Marga Institute at Colombo. SARC Documentation Center was established at New Delhi. Cooperative online serial program is being operated by the OCLC. Eureka is a powerful and easy to research service by the RLG. Agricola is a bibliographic database of the National Agricultural Library (NAL) of the Brazil. Janet is the leading edge network servicing academic community. So friends, end of the today's video. दोस्तों अब वीडियो में मिलते हैं अगली में, और अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें, और लाइक शेयर कमेंट्स तो आप करेंगे ही करेंगे दोस्तों। आभारी हूँ मैं, आपका जो प्यार मिल रहा है ऐसे ही मिलता रहे। थैंक यू।